Hello, I just finished my viewings for the weekend, and the most common question I got this weekend was, how will the Trump tariffs affect the Singapore property market? Hello again guys, Wilson here. Other than being a real estate agent, I'm also buying my next property in 2025. Just wanted to share a few thoughts that I have on the Trump tariffs. In today's video, I'll actually touch on what I think will be the short-term impact of the Trump tariff policy on the Singapore property market, what I do see in the next 12 months, and what it means for all of us as a home buyer or property investor. In the short term, I think that Trump tariffs has definitely introduced a lot of uncertainty in the global economy. The global stock market has crashed last week. Investors are becoming more cautious and move into cash position. In uncertain times, the capital tends to rotate out of volatile assets and into safe haven assets. And in my view, Singapore real estate is seen as a safe haven asset by many. Even though the tariffs are a bad news, they could actually drive more capital into the Singapore property market, which will therefore lead to further price growth. Secondly, in the next 12 months, if we do escalate into a full-blown trade war, we will definitely see slower economic growth, tighter corporate budgets, and weaker hiring outlooks. This will therefore have a ripple effect on the mass market and the OCR regions, where the local employment and the income levels actually matter much more. The potential consequences will include what I think will be slower price growth in the HDB market, as well as those entry-level condo segments. Buyers will definitely take longer to commit as they are concerned about job security. Having said that, if the central banks do respond with stimulus with lower interest rates, we will then see again the property prices supported with lower cost of borrowing. What does this mean for you and me as home buyers today? First thing, don't panic. Always focus on fundamentals such as location, safe entry price, and holding power. This volatility can also create negotiation opportunities in your favor, so be ready to capitalize on such opportunities. If you're unsure of how the Trump tariffs will affect you on your property search, let's have a quick chat and to see what is the safe way to move forward. Because in every crisis, I believe there are hidden opportunities. You just need to know where to look. So let's be ready together to capture these opportunities. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and follow my page. I'll be more than grateful for your support. See you guys around. Bye.